Think Ohio is all cities and farmland? Think again. From forested trails to quiet lakesides, Ohio has some underrated boondocking spots perfect for your next off-grid escape. Today, we're sharing the best free camping locations across the Buckeye State. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more hidden outdoor gems. 1. Wayne National Forest Backwoods. Wayne National Forest offers dispersed camping across southern Ohio's wooded Appalachian hills. Campers enjoy quiet forest roads that lead to shaded clearings and peaceful valley overlooks. Boondocking is permitted outside developed campgrounds following posted forest regulations. Deer, owls, and raccoons are common in this forest filled with oaks, maples, and pine trees. Campers must bring all supplies as no services are provided at these remote backcountry sites. Fires are allowed in rings when no burn bans are posted by forest rangers during dry seasons. Trails for hiking, biking, and horseback riding are accessible from many forest road camps. 2. Zaleski State Forest Hillsides. Zaleski Forest offers free primitive camping in the hills and hollows of southeast Ohio terrain. Campers find sites near old logging roads with tree canopy cover and easy hiking access. No reservations are needed, but campers must park near designated road access corridors. Firewood is abundant and campfires are allowed when conditions are safe and managed properly. The forest is popular for backpacking loops, so overnight campers often stop near trail zones. Spring and summer bring wildflowers and birdsong, while fall delivers bright red leaf shows. Black bears are rare, but deer, foxes, and wild turkeys are common in forest zones. 3. Tar Hollow State Forest Ridge Roads. Tar Hollow features steep ridgelines and forest roads ideal for remote tent and car camping. Boondockers often park off gravel roads and hike into wooded clearings near ridge crests. The forest is thick with pines, and the scent of needles fills the fresh mountain breeze. Campers may encounter deer, owls, hawks, and the occasional bobcat in quiet nighttime zones. Fires are allowed in stone rings when no restrictions are in place and ground is cleared. Hiking trails run deep into the forest, offering peaceful views and rolling hills. Dispersed sites are basic with no toilets, water, or trash services provided. 4. American Electric Power Recreation Lands Primitive Zones. American Electric Power Lands in southeast Ohio allow free camping on reclaimed strip mining land now reforested. Campers find hundreds of marked dispersed sites with picnic tables and basic gravel pads. Fires are allowed in designated rings and must be attended and extinguished completely. Wildlife includes deer, turtles, frogs, and nesting waterfowl near marshy wetland edges. There are vault toilets at some access points, but most sites are fully off-grid and natural. Campers should bring their own water and pack out all waste to keep the area clean. American Electric Power Lands are excellent for free, easy-to-access boondocking with natural recreation options. 5. Woodbury Wildlife Area Borders. Woodbury offers remote camping along the edges of Ohio's largest public wildlife management area. Campers must camp in designated primitive zones near posted signs and follow all regulations. These areas are basic with no amenities but offer access to forest roads and hiking paths. The area is known for hunting and fishing, so seasonal awareness is important for campers. Fires are allowed in rings during safe conditions and firewood may be gathered from the ground. Pine groves and grassy clearings provide peaceful space for solo or small group boondocking. Early risers may spot deer, wild turkeys, and foxes along game trails near campsites. 6. Pike State Forest Trailsides. Pike Forest provides hilly camping along trails with minimal traffic and excellent woodland views. Dispersed camping is allowed near roads and trailheads away from designated day-use areas. The terrain includes dense tree cover, mossy rocks, and ridgelines ideal for scenic tenting. Campers enjoy solitude and crisp air filtered through layers of pine and hardwood trees. Fires are permitted when no bans are active and campers must use caution near dry brush. This forest is perfect for hikers, foragers, and those seeking natural quiet and clean air. Bird calls echo through the trees and squirrels dash across branches near morning light. The ground is soft and pine needle covered, offering quiet nights and cool daytime shade. 7. Shawnee State Forest Depths. Shawnee Forest is called Ohio's Little Smokies for its deep hills and Appalachian scenery. Campers can find remote ridge sites with wide views and thick tree cover in every direction. Boondocking is allowed outside developed campgrounds following Forest Service guidelines. The terrain is steep in places, so four-wheel drive may be needed for some remote zones. Wildlife is abundant, including deer, hawks, turtles, and the occasional black bear sighting. The forest is vast and offers long quiet stretches for hiking, biking, or sitting by firelight. Fires must be built in safe locations with full control and dousing before leaving the area. There are limited cell signals, making this an excellent unplugged forest retreat. 8. Maumee State Forest Flatwoods. Maumee Forest in northwest Ohio features open forest clearings with easy vehicle access. Boondocking is allowed on forest roads in designated non-developed camping pullouts. The forest is flat and sandy with a mix of pine trees and open brush for wildlife habitat. This area is less crowded than southern forests and provides calm camps with minimal traffic. Bird watchers enjoy this forest for its hawks, woodpeckers, and seasonal migratory species. There is little shade at some sites, so tarps or awnings may be useful during summer heat. Campers must bring water and supplies since the area has no developed facilities or stores. 9. Grand River Wildlife Area Woods. Grand River Wildlife Area provides off-grid camping near forests, streams, and marshy clearings. Campers must follow state wildlife camping regulations and stay within posted permitted zones. The area is excellent for birding, kayaking, or just enjoying quiet mornings in thick woods. There are no developed amenities, so all gear and waste management must be self-contained. Fires are permitted when local conditions allow, and campers must use pre-existing stone rings. The forest includes cottonwood, maple, and willow trees along its lush and winding river banks. Otters, deer, and ducks are common in the area, especially near water during early morning. Campers should check for hunting seasons and wear safety colors in appropriate months. 10. Harrison State Forest Groves. Harrison Forest features small, remote sites scattered throughout the hills and wooded ridges. Boondockers find peaceful solitude off gravel access roads with shade and easy tent setup. This area is rarely crowded and provides clean forest air and quiet morning bird calls. Campers must bring all food, water, and trash supplies as no services are available on site. Fires are allowed in safe areas, but conditions may change with weather, so check notices. The forest is known for hardwood groves and gentle trails winding through fern-filled valleys. Evenings are often cool and still with only the crackle of fire and breeze in the treetops. Many sites offer access to trails for hiking, wildlife watching, or simply walking with peace. Whether you're parked near Wayne National Forest or a peaceful reservoir, Ohio has more to offer than most travelers expect. Found a favorite spot from this list? Drop it in the comments. And if this video helped you plan your next getaway, make sure to like and subscribe for more off-grid travel ideas and camping guides.